Sanibonani wey'ngane zakwethu, Hope ne-Grand ne-Sharp nemnandi. Mfezeko loyo la sibona amagumede. Mawukuthi mhlawumbe kuleli khasi usemusha, ngizophinde ngicela enze sure ukuthi uyasubscribe. Ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta nokulike nokushare bese uyasilandela ku-Facebook @Radio Inkezo kanjalo naku-TikTok @Radio Inkezo. Wey'ngane zakwethu namhlanje kuyisabatha lamhla ka-2025 laphana ku-25 ku-October sivuka ngey'ndaba ezibuhlungu kakhulu laphana-ke iy'ndaba ezokudlula emhlabeni kuka-Professor uGodo Lalamankankane-ke insizwa yakhona la phansi kwamhlabalingano umelaphi wendabuko owaziwa kakhulu-ke laphana. Sokusabalela imibiko impela ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi ngathi-ke usesishiyile emhlabeni-ke iy'ngane zakwethu. Kwi-statement esifike sabhalwa abomndeni laphana-ke sifike sabhalwa ukuthi-ke the passing of our father and the father of many to community KwaZulu Kwangwanase, Mhlabalingane, the family of KwaZulu Natal and the whole South Africa. It's with a heavy heart that we as the family decided to confirm that our beloved father, the great traditional healer Professor Godo Lalamankankane, has been shot and killed at his homestead last night around about 8:30 while he was having a moment of happiness with his family. He was shot by the unknown young man who came and opened fire in front of his family. He was declared dead on the scene. As family, we only seek prayers and peace as we try to digest what had really happened. We also requesting to the social media holders, please do not use this to push your content. We ask to mourn him in peace, that everything will be digest after his process as we start preparing for the burial of our father. He was shot and killed at his homestead. This is what we know. We know nothing on why we attacked and killed. The matter is in hands of the police and they started the investigation regard family laphana-ke ngane zakwethu qinisekise ukuthi-ke laphana insizwa laphana ngihlaseliwe izolo ngosuku lobo 8:30 isikhathi zabo 8:30 la khona kade ezijabulele kanjalo nomndeni wakhe la kufike khona umfana omncane-ke laphana kafushane bachaza lokho ukuthi-ke kufika umfana omncane wasededela ngenhlamvu-ke laphana kaqondise kuyona insizwa ubaba uGodo Lalamankankane insizwa yakhona lana phansi phela ndaba-ke mangabe ubheke emangozi-ke lapha wey'ngane zakwethu-ke indaba ezibuhlungu kakhulu sithinta wonke umuntu-ke laphana sikwazi ukuthi-ke ubaba udokotela uprofessor uGodo Lalamankankane insizwa ebekade impela isiza abantu abaningi kakhulu kule ndaba. Insizwa ibineqhaza laphana elikhulu-ke laphana endaweni yaseMangozi Yonkana laphana kophela ndaba Yonkana ngane zakwethu. Engathi-ke umphefumulo wakhe ungalala ngokuthula mangabe ukuthi-ke lezi ndaba ziliqiniso ngempela-ke ngane zakwethu-ke laphana-ke ngane zakwethu-ke. Mhlambe-ke nawe usungadlula-ke ngamazwi okududuza kuyona le post wey'ngane zakwethu-ke mayelana nokudlula emhlabeni kwalensizwa udoctor uprofessor laphana uGodo Lalamankankane-ke bese mhlawumbe uyasichazela ukuthi liphi iqhaza elibambile empilweni yakho-ke laphana makuthi mhlawumbe ngomunye okwahlangabezana nawe ukufuna usizo kwakhe laphana-ke usichazele kabanzi mayelana nje nokubaluleka kwakhe empilweni zakhe wey'ngane zakwethu. Bekuyona ividiyo namhlanje esiniletha zona indaba ezishisa esihamba phambili zokudlula emhlabeni kubaba uProfessor uGodo Lalamankankane kwamhlabalingana ephela ndaba ngasesikoleni eMakabonge ngane zakwethu. Izona indaba ezibuhlungu kakhulu ezithinte wonke umuntu laphana-ke ngokudlula emhlabeni kwamkhulu uProfessor uGodo Lalamankankane.
Ngiyaphila ngiyajabula ukubona. Hey. Nguwe lo?
Yimi lo. Ngifuna ukukuzuma ukuthi le cross isakhona. Hayi ngifuna uqala la. Hawo. Hayi le ndala la akazisetshenziswa. Hey. Mana.